Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this group can't be displayed. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you can do is to open your Telegram application and click on three horizontal line at the top left corner and click on setting. Now you have to tap on privacy and security and scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see now in your Telegram application you will not be able to find the 18 plus content option. So what you can do is to minimize this and open your Telegram web and log into your Telegram web. Now click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner in your Telegram web application and click on setting. Now you need to scroll and here you will see privacy and security. Click on it. Now scroll down to the sensitive content button. Now if this option is off, you just need to open this option in order to solve your issue, and after that your group can't be displayed option will successfully solve. And that's it. Now you know how to fix this group can't be displayed problem in Telegram. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.